finished my homework yesterday. I studied English hard and answered difficult test questions. I watched YouTube yesterday and enjoyed a funny movie.
I listen to music and practice singing 3 new songs. Aku mendengar musik dan berlatih menyanyikan 3 lagu baru.
I wrote a daily entry and drew beautiful picture inside. Aku menulis catatan harian dan menggambar gambar indah di dalamnya.
I read a novel and enjoyed every visual from the novel. Aku membaca sebuah novel dan menikmati setiap